Edexcel GCSE Mathematics, November 2024. Paper 2 higher, question 8. The question says 1.25 times 10 to the power minus 12 is equals to k times brackets 4 times 10 minus 20. Work out the value of k. Give your answer in standard form. So to find k, we need to divide both sides of this equation by 4 times 10 to the power minus 20. So if I do that for the left-hand side, I have 1.25 times 10 to the power minus 12 over 4 times 10 to the power minus 20. And for the right-hand side, I have a situation like this. K brackets 4 times 10 to the power minus 20 divided also by 4 times 10 to the power minus 20. So then I can cancel this and that isolates the k, and that gives me k. So the right-hand side is now just k. We now evaluate the left-hand side. To do that, I'm going to write 1.25 differently as follows. So 1.25 can be written as 12.5 times 10 to the power minus 1. I then come to replace 1.25 with that. And so I'm going to get 12.5 times 10 to the power minus 1, which is that one. And then times the 10 to the power minus 12. So I'll have times 10 to the power minus 12. All that divided by 4 times 10 to the power minus 20. Now 10 to the power minus 1 and 10 to the power minus 12 will give me 10 to the power minus 13 because the bases are the same, and so we have to add the powers. And so if I do that, I'm going to get 12.5 times 10 to the power minus 13 divided by 4 times 10 to the power minus 20. So now this can be written as follows. 12.5 over 4 times 10 to the power minus 13 over 10 to the power minus 20. Now we know that 10 to the power minus 13 divided by 10 to the power minus 20 will give 10 to the power 7 because the bases are the same. And so because we are dividing, we are going to subtract these powers. And so minus 13 minus 20 will give me 7. And so I can replace the whole of that with this. For this part of the solution, you can use our calculator to evaluate that. And if I do that, I'm going to get 12.5 over 4 will give 3.125. And so I can now also replace this with that. And so our final answer for k, so k equals to 3.125 for this part times 10 to the power 7 for this part. And this is our final answer for this question. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.